Hi, everyone, and thank you for being here. We're excited to share our instructional design project, Closing the Loop, Strategies for Task Completion and Accountability. Our team of instructional designers includes myself, Crystal, along with Mary, Angela, and Liza. We worked collaboratively on every part of the design process, each bringing different strengths and perspectives to the project. Our final product is the Employee Time Management e-course, a practical training tool designed to help employees consistently complete tasks and improve accountability on the job.
Employees face many common challenges that prevent task completion. Frequent distractions, unclear instructions, and poor communication all contribute to delays and inefficiency. One specific issue is entering partial data with the intention to finish later. This often leads to forgetting information, incomplete records, and workflow bottlenecks. Our course was built to directly address these challenges and improve task follow-through.
Our instructional design approach was rooted in theory to ensure the learning experience was both engaging and effective. We used constructivist learning theory, allowing learners to build knowledge through realist, scenario-based decision-making. These decisions encourage reflection and help correct behavior through experience. We also drew from situated learning theory, which emphasizes learning with authentic, real-world context. Our mirroring the kinds of decisions employees face daily, we help them apply strategies in a way that fits.
To develop the course, we used several tools that supported both creative development and instructional goals. We used MindMeister to visually organize our ideas, Google Docs to collaborate on content, and Genially to build a dynamic scenario-based course. The design focuses on practical strategies like using checklists, improving communication, and recognizing task priorities, and it's applicable across various workplace settings. The course is user-friendly, interactive, and aimed at boosting employee consistency and productivity.
The course is designed for both new and existing employees and can be accessed individually through a shared link or embedded in Canvas. It includes interactive workplace scenarios, branching decision points, feedback layers, and a final quiz. The quiz is hosted on Canvas LMS, allowing us to assess learning and track participation. This structure provides a self-paced, scenario-driven experience while reinforcing real-world relevance.
Our pilot participants, many of whom worked in office environments, provided valuable feedback. Some were supervisors or highly experienced professionals, and they engaged with the content thoughtfully. Using Canvas LMS analytics, we tracked logins and completion data. Pilot quiz scores showed a 60% passing rate, which helped us see where the content was effective and where it could be strengthened. The feedback guided us in refining both the learning experience and assessment tools.
This project taught us so much, not just about instructional design, but about building interactive content in tools like Genially and Canvas. We found that scenario-based learning was effective even for seasoned professionals, encouraging them to rethink some of their habits. Canvas Analytics helped us better understand how learners move through the course. And using a wide range of tools, Genially, MindMeister, Google Workspace, Zoom, mobile phones, laptops, we learned how to integrate resources smoothly and with clear communication and planning. Most importantly, this project showed us the power of teamwork. Each of us led naturally in different areas, and that collaboration made the process smoother and more creative. As a team of instructional designers, we all contributed equally to the development of this course. We each brought different strengths, from content creation and tool integration to design planning and scenario building, and worked collaboratively throughout the entire process.
In summary, the Employee Time Management e-course addresses a common workplace issue with a simple, effective solution. By pairing scenario-based learning with clear, actionable strategies, we help employees develop habits that lead to strong follow-through and better team communication. Thank you so much for your time and interest in our project.
Thank you again for being here. We hope our project gave you useful insight into how instructional design can support workplace accountability and task completion.
Now we'd like to go into how our project comes together. I'd like to start with Crystal, showing us a little bit about our Google folder and InVideo.
To help our team stay organized and keep all project elements accessible in one place, we created a shared Google folder. Inside the folder, you'll find everything from start to finish, including our project documentation, the storyboard and scenario-based rough drafts, our finalized InVideo script and the presentation script, a copy of the daily task completion quiz for Canvas, our closing the loop slide presentation, the MindMeister map saved as a PDF image for easy access, and even our custom Zoom background image. This folder made it easy for us to collaborate, revise, and track our progress throughout the project. For the video, I started by writing a detailed script that introduced our problem, performance goal, and each scenario. I then uploaded the script into InVideo's AI video generator, which created a rough cut about 2.5 minutes long. From there, I spent about 3 hours editing the media, selecting visuals, adjusting transitions, refining the timing, and polishing the script for clarity and impact. Once the final version was ready, I downloaded the video to my computer and uploaded it to YouTube. From there, we embedded the video into our Canvas LMS course, where it helped prepare learners before they took the quiz.
Thank you, Crystal. Angela, tell us a little bit about how MindMeister helped bring this project together.
Yes, in our Closing the Loop project, we used MindMeister to map out our ideas and main concepts area. This helped us keep organized and keep our thinking and support a collaborative environment in real time. It helped us keep our team aligned throughout the whole entire project.
Thank you, Angela. Mary, show us a little bit of our scenario that we had with Genially.
Thank you, Liza. So this course was developed by our team of instructional designers through a collaborative and effective and combined our strengths to create a practical and engaging learning experience. Built in Genially as a course offering tool, it's a design for both new and existing employees and focuses on improving accountability and task follow-through in team environments. Learners can access the course via a shared link or through Canvas, and it's embedded for a flexible and self-paced completion. The course includes interactive scenarios, granting decisions, layering feedback, and finally a quiz boosted in Canvas LMS to assess learning and attract participation. Using a scenario-based approach, learners apply strategies in a realistic context, making the experience both relevant and accountable. In short, Closing the Loop is a Genially powered course that helps teams follow through and get things done. Now let's turn it over to Liza, who will walk us through how we integrated the course into Canvas.
Thank you, Mary. To bring our course together, we decided to utilize Canvas as our LMS. When we take a look, you can see that we have our dashboard. Students who interact can click on the course itself and easily see our homepage. Here you'll see our video that we have to introduce our students to the course. Off to the sidebar, you can see that we can check out things such as analytics, attendance, and people. Our students will also navigate through our modules so they can learn step by step how to master this course and get to the final step of managing time with confidence. That concludes our entire presentation. We absolutely loved coming together to bring this course to you, and we hope you enjoy navigating it as much as we enjoyed putting it together. Thanks for watching.